Hello viewers, wishing you all a Shubho Noboborsho. Today I'll show you another original special recipe of mine for Poila Baisakh using the whole Hilsa fish. It is called Baked Ilish or Baked Hilsa. Here I have a Hilsa fish that I have descaled, definned and gutted. As you can see, the belly of the fish is all cleaned and I have also removed the gills. So the fish is ready for baking. I will now put some cuts on both sides of the fish with a knife so it soaks in all the flavors. The cuts don't need to be too deep. Here are the Hilsa fish eggs which came out of the fish. Let's have a quick look at some of the other ingredients. We will need a bunch of finger chilies, some ginger, 1 clove of garlic, 1 red onion, the juice of 1 lime, a bunch of coriander leaves, 2 brinjals or bagoons, cut into halves like I have done here. Now we are going to blend the ingredients by adding them in the blender with a little bit of water. In go the ginger, garlic, onions, chilies, coriander. One by one, put them in the blender. Pour the lime juice in. And blend them all together. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard to the blender, followed by 3 teaspoons of tamarind puree, salt according to your taste, 200 grams of thick yogurt or dahi, and a generous helping of mustard oil. Plus 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now give the blender another spin to mix it all up. Take a baking tray and add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil to it. Use one of the sliced brinjals to spread the oil around and also to coat it with oil. Do the same with the other slices of brinjal. Now pour some of the blended spice mixture onto the brinjals and give them a massage, mixing everything in on all sides. Now put the Hilsa fish on top of the brinjals and pour the spice mixture onto the fish and also inside the fish. Give the fish a good rub. Now turn the fish over and do the same on the other side. Pour the mixture and rub it into the fish. put it inside the cuts. Now I'm going to place the fish eggs into the belly of the fish. And cover them with the spice mixture. And pour the remaining mixture all over the fish. It's time to cover the baking tray with some foil and to seal it very well. It will go into a preheated oven at 180-degree fan for 25 minutes. It goes in the oven now for 25 minutes at least. After 25 minutes, take the tray out and carefully remove the foil. Then put it back in the oven without the foil on for 15 more minutes. Now it needs to go back in the oven for 15 more minutes without the foil. After 15 minutes, take it out. As you can see, the brinjals have cooked through, as has the Hilsa fish, and your baked Hilsa is ready to be served. Serve this delicious, original, unique, showstopper baked whole Hilsa recipe with rice or pulao for your family and friends. I wish you all a very Shubho Noboborsho. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!